County, southwestern Middlesex County, east central New Kent County, southeastern King William County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:32 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over West Point, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Point and Shackelford around 1:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mattapan, Holly Forks, Eltham, Warner, Peppa, Mascot, Harcum, Adna, Cache, and Plum Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield.